for audio calls?
What do you call? Yes, fluency is one of the best because I have tried in that. So really, in that we get very, intermediate persons. They are very well knowledgeable, well educated. So they talk with us very, politely. So there I found really very interesting. Yes.
But yesterday I
But your voice is coming very slow, very slowly. Yes.
just a minute. Just a minute. So sometime Bluetooth is not working properly. Now you can hear me.
Yes, yes, I can hear you properly. Yes.
So, but I want to know little bit about yourself, like your
Yeah.
village,
So
your city, introduction part.
thanks for asking, ma'am. My name is Gendu Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand. If I talk about my education, I have completed my graduation. If I talk about my family, there are six members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. I have three sisters. I'm the only boy in my family. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like reading, writing, talking with others, playing. That's all.
Now it's my turn. I'm Tanya and I'm connected to Jaipur. I'm a homemaker. I have done my graduation and post graduation with political science. That's all about me. I'm a homemaker.
Yeah, that's really nice. Last many days I have been trying to connect with you, but due to I think you were busy, right?
No, I was not busy. Actually, I'm taking only one session in a whole day.
Okay. Oh, that's
Uh,
why.
we are doing conversation, and after that, I applied DND.
Okay.
I think you have observed in my profile there is a DND, do not disturb.
Yes, yes, I have seen. Yes.
I
So
think only
yeah.
one session is enough.
Yes, yes, right. Yeah.
Yes.
Every day we should have one session. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Like you belong from Jharkhand, okay?
Yes. Yeah.
And currently you are teaching students. Why
Yeah.
you? Why did you choose this field, teaching? Any specific reason?
No, there is no any specific reason because really I like teaching. That's why. Yeah.
Any
It,
person who had inspired you for teaching? Like when we are a student, we are seeing our teachers. Some
yeah.
teachers, they always, can say inspired us.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Right.
Any teacher in your life who had inspired you?
No, about teaching, they didn't inspire, but it was my own, passion. You can say, like teaching. So, like I was also studying, and apart from my study, also I was teaching. That's why I was getting more interest, like in teaching. That's why I chose.
Which subjects you
Yes.
are teaching?
I teach English subject, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. I think you are living in a village.
Right.
Then how
Yeah.
you have this language? Because living in a village and you had learned this language, I think it's a very difficult task for you.
Yeah.
How you
Yeah. It was very difficult for me to learn because I stay in a village because you will not find any kind of environment, the friends with them you can talk in English. So it was really very challenging thing for me, but yeah, this became possible with the help of social media. And I was very passionate of learning this language because I have completed my schooling from Hindi medium school, so I was very weak in English subject. That's why I thought, let's learn on my own. And then I started struggling on it, and I came across to know there are many applications or many platform there we can like find friends, or we can talk with others, we can improve our English communication. Yeah. So I'm
there are
also
so
learning.
many options where we can do audio calls.
Yeah.
So which application is good according to you?
In my opinion, I would suggest video call is one of the best, for like
Call is
improving.
good. Every time we are not ready for video session. Sometimes
Yeah.
we are taking some audio calls. Okay. So there are
Yeah.
so many apps like Ace Fluency. Josh Talk. So which app is good in your opinion?
I have tried, almost 3, 4 applications in audio call. I have talked. Like,
Yes, we are talking about apps.
yes, yes.
So which
Yeah,
app is for audio calls?
audio call. Yes, Fluency is one of the best because I have tried in that. So really, in that we get very, intermediate persons. They are very well knowledgeable, well educated. So they talk with us very, politely. So there I found really very interesting. Yes.
But you know, yesterday I had taken a video session with some student. I think he was a student, and he was telling me somebody has abused him when he was calling on that app. That time he was beginner. Is it correct?
Uh, yeah, sometimes yes, it happens. Yeah.
Do you think if we are doing this conversation audio session 1 month, 2 month, after that we will be fluent? Do you think it is possible?
Yeah, yeah, we can be fluent, but like talking in front of the public, like talking face to face, it will be difficult because without having this kind of practice, like talking in front of the people, you are very comfortable on audio call because you are not seeing each other face. But on video call, you have to interact. So yeah, you can't be more fluent. Yeah.
In one session.
Yes. Yes.
But I think because there are some, person they are saying within a month you will be fluent. Sometimes they're saying within a 2 months you will be fluent. But I think the definition can be different from person to person.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because all are not equal. So we can't say like. You can also do it within 1 month or 2 months because it depends up to us, like how dedicated we are, how much time we are giving, or how much efforts we are putting. So it depends on us, like so
Yes.
we can never like tell to the others like you can also, if I can do it within 1 month, you can also do it. No, it's not like that.
Yes. My opinion is if you are learning any language, I think consistency is the key for any language. You should be
Right,
consistent.
right, yes.
Any question if you want ask, then you can ask.
Yeah, yeah. Just I would like to ask, in how, like, asked how many days you have been like learning? How long, ma'am? Yeah.
Seriously, I think 6 or 7 months ago, I had started my YouTube channel. When I was watching, this time I forget the name. Then I feel very inspired. That lady. Then I
Oh, with the Hati, madam, I think you are talking about.
that
Yeah,
time
same.
I
Yeah,
viral.
yeah.
Yes.
He was viral. Yes, I was also very inspired by that, ma'am, and I thought let's create a YouTube channel, and I will practice over there because at that time I had no friends, and I had no idea like how to interact with others. That's why I started my YouTube channel. In that I used to make the video on my own, like I used to put any kind of topic, and in that I used to discuss, and after that I used to upload, yes, on my YouTube channel.
Nowadays, how you are practicing? Like you had made a group, WhatsApp group, or you are doing any, you are using any app.
Yeah, Skyfab, there are, yeah, two groups. In that there are many friends, like I can easily interact with them. Yes.
Every day you are doing conversation.
In this day I'm not so consistent due to some work. Yeah, but I will try my best to be consistent. Yes.
Okay, you are living in a village.
Yeah.
So, what is the major difference between village life and city life?
Yeah, like the villagers, we like do agriculture, and like if I talk about difference, the like environment of here in village is totally different from the city life, because all the people, they are not well educated of here.
I think in village life, life is very peaceful life.
Yeah, yeah, right,
And when you came into like city, everybody busy in their own life.
right.
Yes, and cost of living is high in the city
Yes,
rather
right.
than
Yeah.
yes.
I really enjoy, living in a village because all around my village is surrounded with forest, greenery. So really, you will get enjoyment here. Yes,
Jharkhand is famous for I think coal.
yes, yeah, coal
Where
mines. Right.
any special thing about the Jharkhand if you want you can elaborate.
Oh, yeah, there are many, tourism places for the visitors. You can, yeah, it's, in Devghar, there are few tourism places. One is called Baba Dham. It is very famous.
Dream of Hindus.
Yes, yes. And, Tirkut Parvat, it's, uh, it is also situated in Devghar district. And one is, Parasnath Pahad. It is the highest peak of Jharkhand. Yes,
Okay.
Parasnath Pahad. Ever?
If you talk about my Jaipur, Jaipur is pink city and cuisine is really very good and mouth-watering. And there are so many good palaces like Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, Amer Fort, famous markets like Tripolia Bazaar, uh, Johari Bazaar. Yes, these are famous markets of Jaipur.
Okay, yeah. Do you
And
like?
connectivity is very good in Jaipur. Yes. Have you visited any place like Banaras? There are so many good places in India.
I have
Agra.
visited, three states. Yeah,
So
but
tell
if
me that states.
uh, one is Bihar, its neighbor state of Jharkhand, and another is, West Bengal. Only three
West,
states I have visited.
because I think Bihar, Bengal, Jharkhand, all are in a you can say same line. And
Yes,
before some years, Jharkhand and Bihar was one state.
yes, yes, yeah.
What is the famous food of the Jharkhand state?
Here, like biryani and these kind of things.
I've heard
Yeah, yeah,
dhuska. They are made it with rice, and after they grind it and they frying in oil. That is called dhuska. Have you heard it?
no, I haven't tried.
No, no, I'm not saying that you should try this because I think 2 days ago I was watching a food vlog channel. That time I know that time they told us that it is a famous dish of Jharkhand, dhuska. Yes.
Oh, there are many, food items. Like, yeah, I don't know all the names of food.
Yes, it is not compulsory that you should learn everything. It's not compulsory. But when we are talking with each other, that time we are passing some information also.
Yeah, 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 sure. We learn, many more things from others. Like,
Yes, it's not compulsory that I am learn. I know everything. It's not compulsory, and there is a benefit also when you are taking conversation. Your co-learner is sometime in other state. They will know so many things about their state.
yes, yeah, sure. Yeah.
Do you have any query about my city, about my journey, English journey? So you can ask.
Yeah, ma'am, you can suggest like how we can like, improve our communication as soon as possible. Any tips would you like to prefer?
My only tip is you should more and more listen, more and more speak, and along with this, you should do some grammar work. That's it. It is enough.
Right, right. I agree with your point.
Because in some videos I have seen you should do grammar work. Yeah, I'm totally agree. Grammar is important, but I think first you should try to speak, and along with this, you should practice.
Yes. Right, right.
Because if you are like you are doing practice with grammar and you are not speaking, I think that time it will be not beneficial for you.
Yes, yes.
And I always believe in practical work. You should do first try to speak, and along with this, you should do grammar work. There are
Yes.
so many sheet of grammar, so you should do this.
Yeah.
And when talking, every day you are taking sessions, whether it is audio call or video call. After some time, you definitely realize your analyze your mistakes.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Yes. We analyze our mistakes. Like where
Yes,
we are making mistakes. Like yeah.
yes. And if you like the stories, English stories, travel vlogs, like I am very fond of, you can say I'm very fond of music and movies and travel vlogs. Now I have cultivated a new hobby, travel vlog.
Okay.
Yes,
Same here. I also watching. Yeah. This kind of
when
blogs.
you are travel
Yeah.
vlog, they are exploring some good countries, so that you can also see these countries, and they are using English language.
Yeah.
Yes, so I think for the beginner, for the advanced learner, it is beneficial. I think all can get benefits.
Yes. Right. Right.
But if you are not enjoying these travel vlogs, any kind of stuff, so you should never watch.
Yeah.
But you should enjoy. If you like if you have spare time for reading, writing, then you should do all these four steps like reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But if you don't have time, so much time, then you should more and more listen and more speaking.
Yeah.
Yes, that is my mantra.
Yeah.
You can say.
Right. Whenever we listen, we learn more and more things. Whatever we listen, we
We are
learn
very
that.
of your local language because from childhood we are listening this. Similarly, if we are listening English language again and again, automatically you can learn. I think.
Yes, sure. Language can be learned by listening. Like how we learned our mother tongue, because we haven't like read any kind of grammar rules, anything. But we are
Yes,
very perfect in it. We can speak fluently. Yes.
don't know any grammar rules of Hindi, but he is able to speak Hindi, or you can say any local language. So my opinion is you should more and more listen. Like we always listen Hindi. Similarly, we should more and more listen English content.
Right.
Yes. Then automatically, I think you can get sentence structure, vocabulary also.
Yeah.
I think it was a very fruitful session with you. Now we should wrap up this session.
Same here. Yeah, it was really nice. And thanks for giving your precious time, ma'am. I'm really very happy to connect with you,
Uh,
talk with you.
yes, also very glad that you are giving your precious time for this conversation. Okay,
See you.
till then, bye and have a
Okay,
nice day.
see you.